Hi, buddy. What you doing? It's 8 o'clock, and we're an hour away from your feeding time, but I think that you're hungry already. Are you hungry already, buddy? Huh? Are you hungry already? Hi, bud. Hi, Emmy. Oh. Are you saying hi to Daddy? I'm gonna send this to Daddy. Say hi. Hi, Daddy. I love you. Feel better, Daddy. Okay, I think we're gonna try to feed you then. Say bye, Dad. Bye, Dad. I love you.